first time Pakistan went on interbank, what we call real effective exchange rate. My problem is that in any system, it's not only Pakistan, there are certain speculators, gamblers, hundiwalas, who take the country's currency as a hostage. If the state does not come in play, I think then what will happen is what has happened now. See the recent, did Bank of England not intervene? Did Bangladesh not intervene? India recently intervened. Why? India could afford out of 600 odd billion reserves that throw 98 billion in the market. We don't have that luxury. So we have to make sure that these abuses must be checked. And I think the multilateral have to understand this is neither Bank of England or Federal Reserve that we can afford that if it goes outside the band or below the band and they intervene and spend whatever they spend or buy whatever they buy, we have constraint of forex reserves. So the only tool you have is the making sure that such things do not happen. We have recently started operation. Just as of last 24 hours, our customs have caught one single person in Chaman border. $100,000 he was smuggling, is being smuggled across the border. Can we afford that? We have with these small, our urea, which we import, and the local price courtesy as a cheap provision of gas to those fertilizer companies, obviously then produced and manufactured fertilizer is less. But when we import, local price is 2,600, the imported price is 6,500 to 7,000. So we subsidize, because obviously we can't sell that they export. This is imported is 7,000 and this is imported is 2,300 to the farmer. That imported, which means the one loss is foreign exchange spending. Second loss is the subsidy which the state is giving. And the imported stuff is being smuggled out to neighboring countries and from neighboring countries to Central Asian states. You see, these are the things. So we have left the currency on its own natural flow, but the speculative part has to be checked. As I said, we have launched operation. There is a huge smuggling of your US dollars. You are buying coal from a neighboring country in rupees. The rupees come to Pakistan territory in Peshawar or other borders, and they buy your dollars and pay 15, 20 rupees extra. So, these things have been checked. So
these things are happening ever since Taliban took.
वफाकी वज़ीर ख़ज़ाना इसाक डार तकरीब से खिताब कर
on its own